Chapter 5: Our Freedom Struggle. In the past, India was known all over the world for its riches. It was famous for its spices, textiles, jewelry, and pearls. Arabs were among the first to come to India for trade. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, was the first to discover the sea route to India via Cape of Good Hope. This opened the door for the Europeans. Among Europeans, the Portuguese were the first to come to India, followed by the Dutch, the French, and the English. In the end, the Britishers came out victorious and succeeded in throwing out rest of the European powers. With the permission of Mughal King Jahangir, British set up their trading centres in India by the name of English East India Company, EEIC. Gradually, they started unfair means to exploit the farmers, traders, and the rulers of India. They exploited the farmers by making them pay very high taxes. Lakhs of weavers became unemployed because of machine-made clothes. British started interfering in the internal matters of many states. They started keeping their own army without the permission of the kings. This led to the Battle of Plassey in 1757, in which British defeated the Nawab of Bengal. In 1764, British won another battle, the Battle of Buxar. Finally, the British became rulers from traders. From now on, they started conquering other parts of India. India was then divided into many small kingdoms. British took advantage of this situation and used their divide and rule policy. They started annexing Indian territories in the name of many pretexts, like giving pension to the rulers. Lord Dalhousie annexed many territories in the name of doctrine of lapse. According to this policy, if a ruler did not have a male child, then after the death of that ruler, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. For example, Jhansi was annexed under this policy. This injustice caused unhappiness among the Indians. Be it the king or the Nawabs, the farmers or traders, all were unhappy with the British rule. People in different parts of India were protesting against the British, but they were not united. It was only in 1857 that a major revolt took place, which was our first war of independence, the Revolt of 1857. The revolt started because of the rumor that the covers of cartridge used in the Enfield rifle was greased with fat of pig and cow. Soldiers had to bite off the bullet with their mouth before loading it in the rifle. This went against the religious beliefs of the Muslims and Hindus both. Spread of the revolt. The revolt started with one Indian soldier who refused to use this cartridge. This soldier was Mangal Pandey. The revolt started at Meerut. Soon it was joined by farmers, craftsmen, and other sections of the society. Different leaders led the revolt in their own areas. Some of the top leaders were Tantia Tope, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Azimullah Khan, Nana Sahib, Kunwar Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai. The soldiers declared the last Mughal emperor, Bahadur Shah Zafar, as their leader. Failure of the revolt. This revolt was suppressed by the British. Many reasons were there for the failure. British army was much more organized. They had better weapons, while the Indian soldiers were fighting with lathis. The revolt did not spread to all parts of India. Many powerful rulers of that time did not support this revolt. The leadership was weak. After the revolt, the British used cruel methods to crush this revolt. Many Indians were either killed or put into jail. Bahadur Shah Zafar was captured and deported to Myanmar, earlier known as Burma. Outcome of the revolt of 1857. The English East India Company came to an end. India was placed under the direct control of the British Crown. Queen Victoria was declared as the Empress of India. Now I know. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, was the first to discover the sea route to India. The British exploited all the sections of the society such as farmers, craftsmen, traders and rulers of Indian states. The British followed the policy of divide and rule to expand their powers in India. In 1857, a revolt broke out, spreading to large parts of India. Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Begum Hazrat Mahal were some leaders of the revolt. The revolt turned out to be a failure and the British suppressed it very cruelly. After the revolt, the administration was taken over by the government of England.